Okay, Rudy, so here's your before and after from face on, right? So there's your hips, little line outside your hips. This is your before swing. So you can see you've got a little bit of a slide to the right with your hips going back, right?
Right.
Very little hip turn. So you've got a little slide, which means you've got a bit of space there next to your left hip, right? Not much hip turn, and therefore not much shoulder turn. You've got to turn your hips to be able to turn your torso and shoulders, right?
Correct.
So what I said was, well, straighten that right leg, allow that right hip to move behind you that way, and then that produces way more hip turn, which frees your torso up to turn your shoulders. And that's what I mean by a bigger shoulder turn. Right. And you can see as you're doing it, as that right leg straightens and your right hip moves back behind you, now you've got some space here. Next to that right line, right?
Night and day.
Yeah. So it's like your right hip before was still over your right ankle. Now your right hip has moved forward.
Correct.
Of your right ankle.
Okay.
So your hips are more forward. So you're going to settle on that left foot more.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's going to produce the hips forward, which helps you get off your right foot coming down and get more on your left foot. And it's going to help bigger hip turn, which gives you a bigger shoulder turn, which then will help you come down more on plane rather than slightly over the top.